Google takes on WhatsApp with Android messages. Find out how to get it here. Google is taking on WhatsApp by rolling out desktop support for its Android Messages app available for users today. The update finally allows users of the service to send texts from their PC and view received messages on Android devices. Anyone who wants to use the messaging client for themselves will have to go on the Android Messages website, where a QR code will need to be scanned by a smartphone to create a link between the two. The desktop version of the service allows users to send emoji, images, sticker, and text. Android Messages isn't being shy about taking on Facebook and Apple to be the biggest chat behemoth. WhatsApp offers its WhatsApp web service that similar requires users to establish a link between their phone and computer in order to start messaging friends. Those using iMessage and Facebook Messenger are also able to take part in exchanges on PCs. Google has evidently identified having a web client is fundamental to a successful chat service. The tech giant declared the service will be distributed to users from today and will continue throughout the week. It said, "Today and over the next week, we'll begin rolling out Messages for Web, one of our top requested features that lets you send and receive texts from your computer." The service is part of the tech giant's grand scheme of chat, a messaging client aiming to replace the default SMS messaging application on Android phones. Although Android Messages is currently a separate app that needs to be downloaded from the Play Store, Google is planning to bring all functionality to the standard messaging software on Android phones. This is extremely similar to Apple's introduction of iMessage that seamlessly integrated itself into the old SMS Messenger on iPhones. Google is using Rich Communication Services, RCS, in the new client. RCS is a format set to replace SMS text messaging that allows for more information to be transferred and will allow video calls to take place directly within the chat app rather than forcing users to download third-party software. However, messages that are sent using RCS are not encrypted end-to-end in the same way iMessage, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger exchanges are. Network provider approval is needed for SMS messages to be replaced by Google's ambitious RCS plan.